Then I'm going to do -2, -5, -1, -3, 0, -1, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 5. And then you can clearly see that it's a line, it's linear. Okay, so let's go back to number 14. And let's see what they did here. If you look at your difference, so from here to here, they took 5 away. Here to here, it's -3. Here it's -1. You can see that that difference is not going to be the same. But I'm going to go ahead and finish it because I may need it. So from here to here, they added 1. From here to here, they added 3. From here to here, they added 5. Okay, so now we're going to see if the next difference is the same. So if you look at that, what they did is they added 2. From here to here, they added 2. Added 2. Added 2. Added 2. So my second difference is the same. When that happens, it's quadratic. And then I'm going to prove that by graphing it. So let's see what we got here. -3, 9. Then I have -2, 4. -1, 1. 0, 0. 1, 1. 2, 4. And then 3, 9. And that definitely is a quadratic graph. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Well, this one's a little harder to see, but sometimes it helps you if you kind of start maybe this way. From here to here, what'd they do? They multiplied by 2. Let's see if they did that here. Did they multiply by 2? Yes. Multiplied by 2. And then you can see the pattern from there. They're multiplying by 2 to get to the next one. So I'm going to say multiply by 2. And that is exponential. I mean, you could do the same thing by taking the ratio. That would be 2 over 1. Ooh, what just happened? That would be 2 over 1. This one would be 4 over 2, which is the same, you get the same thing. So I'm just proving to you how I did it, but I just kind of did it a little faster by just looking kind of how they did, got one thing to the next. Okay, so let's graph this. Okay, what do we got here? Ooh, these are going to be fun. -3, 1/8. -2, 1/4. -1, 1/2. 0, 1. 1, 2. 2, 4. And then 3, 8. So if I graph that, not too clean, but there we go. There's that one. Okay, so down here, we're just going to look at a table and see what they have done and see if we can figure it out. So let's start right here and see how they got from here to here. Well, they took 15 away. From here to here, they took 11. And then that was 7. And then it was 3. So it's definitely not linear. So let's see if it will be quadratic. So from here to here, they added 4. From here to here, they added 4. From here to here, they added 4. Because these are the same, it's quadratic. Okay, so let's go to this next one. From here to here, they added 6. Here to here, added 3. Here to here, added 3. Here to here, added 6. Those are not the same, so it's not linear. So let's look at the next one. Here to here, they took away 3. From here to here, 0. From here to here, they added 3. So it's not quadratic. So let's see if it is exponential. So literally just take any two. I'm going to start with, why not take these two? 9 over 3 is 3. Okay, so then let's take these two and see if we get the same thing. Negative 3 over negative 9 is a third. They don't match, so it's not linear, it's not quadratic, it's not exponential, so this is none. Okay, let's go to the next one. From here to here, they added 6. Then they added 6 again. Then they added 6 again. Then they added 6 again. So with those being the same, I already know it's linear. Okay, next one. You can go through them all and figure out what you have. Sometimes I'm like looking at how big they're getting and going, maybe that's something that. So like think about it from here to here. How did they get from there? Didn't they multiply by a negative 3? How about from here to here? Did they multiply by negative 3? Multiply by, so all of these, sometimes you can tell by looking that there's no way it's linear or quadratic, so that one is exponential. Okay, last page is pretty fast, so if you just, what just happened? Go back. So this page right here, if you just draw and try to connect as many dots as you can, you would see this one is linear because it definitely makes a line. This one, I don't know what you would call this. Looks like a McDonald's M. That's not our choices. So this one is none. Kind of strange. This one, it's kind of at a curve. That is exponential. And this last one, you can tell it makes like a upside down U. So that one's quadratic. So this lesson's kind of easy. There you go.